I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way.
We're in Ann Arbor, Michigan for a probable cause hearing. 33-year-old Julie Vongpachon has been charged with 2 counts of assaulting, resisting, or obstructing police and malicious destruction of a building. 2 months earlier, police say Vongpachon went to her ex-boyfriend's place of business and damaged the front door. When police arrived and she didn't cooperate, she was arrested. Vongpachon was released on a $10,000 bond, with the condition she check in regularly with community corrections and undergo drug testing. But when she didn't appear at multiple meetings and failed a drug test, she was ordered back into court. Today, Vongpachon appears with her attorney, Torchio Feaster, before Judge Cedric Simpson to find out if her bond will be revoked.
There a reason why she hasn't been going to community corrections?
I was sick. I was in the hospital.
No, I understand that, but January 10th, she tested negative. January 19th, she missed. January 24th, she comes in, tests positive for THC. And then she misses February 7th, and then misses February 9th. She hasn't been testing, and it looks like some games are being played with community corrections.
Judge Simpson then reviews the defendant's timeline in an attempt to figure out exactly when she used marijuana.
She was at a party and had 2 marijuana-laced cookies. Yeah, so she had the marijuana cookies on which day?
I ate the cookies before I was arrested, a couple days before that.
Ma'am, you have laced cookies. Take a test, it shows up negative. But 14 days later, then you take a test, and that's when it shows up in your system.
Judge is saying that it should have showed up immediately. That's what he's suggesting.
Okay.
So he wants to know how is that possible?
I don't know.
Okay, look, here's the thing. I'm gonna give you my copy of the report. She can sit right in that last seat over there in the jury box, and I will call it back up when she has her story straight.
Thank you, Judge.
But if she's up here and she's lying to me, ma'am, I don't play that way.
Right.
Feaster takes a few minutes with his client.
In going through the report with Ms. Vongpachon, I do have some corrections. She did.
Oh, so now she's gonna tell the truth.
Yes, Judge.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. She has, in fact, been using marijuana, and that is why she has failed to make her testing dates, Judge. She indicates that she knew she was going to be positive from the cookie, and she knew that subsequently she'd be positive from actual smoking of marijuana. She indicates that she does not have an addiction and that she can stop smoking, but that she had not stopped at this point, and that she takes responsibility. She apologizes.
So she just decided that she just was gonna do it her way.
She did, Judge. She did.
The court gave her an order,
Yes, Judge.
and she decides that she just wants to not follow the court's order.
Yes, Judge.
Then she gets here, gets called on it when she was up here initially, and then it's just lying to me.
Yes, Judge.
I apologize, Your Honor.
You don't lie to the court, ma'am. You just don't. I'll deal with the truth. We can work that out. But if you're gonna sit here and lie to me, then that's gonna be a problem, and you're gonna pay a consequence for that.
Judge Simpson is now ready to make his ruling.
And lady, you're gonna have to figure out how you wanna do this. You gotta follow the rules. And the most important thing is you don't lie to me.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked pending a hearing on March 7th. Defendant's remanded.
Vongpachon was taken to jail. A month later, the judge gave her a second chance, and after posting a $25,000 bond, she was released a second time to Community Correction Services. Vongpachon eventually pled no contest to one of the assault charges, while the other charges were dropped. She was sentenced to 1 year of probation plus 5 days of community service. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.